Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're talking about policy and the branches of government. So let's get right to it. So we can kind of use this video as a way to review some of the big ideas of this unit, just very briefly. We're talking about public policy and how these branches interact with each other. So remember the job of each branch. Congress makes policy, so they pass legislation, so they make the policy. Then the executive branch enforce or implement laws passed by Congress. We have the judicial branch. It is their job to interpret policy. So they have the ability to check the other branches by ruling congressional actions, executive actions, or bureaucratic rules and regulations as being unconstitutional at times. Now, how do these branches check the bureaucracy? Well, Congress, as we've discussed, has a couple of main checks. Congress can use congressional oversight, in which they hold hearings and investigate the bureaucratic agencies, again to make sure that they are implementing and enforcing the laws as Congress intended. When Congress is not pleased with the actions of the agencies, they can remove funding because Congress has the power of the purse. Presidents have the ability to nominate the heads of executive agencies, independent regulatory commissions, and cabinet secretaries. The president nominates them, the Senate confirms them. So again, how they get their jobs is dependent on the other branches. The president is able to fire cabinet secretaries, but not independent regulatory commission heads. So again, there's that distinction where some are more political, being the cabinet, while the others we want removed from politics so they can remain independent. So another thing that the president can do is he can issue executive orders to reorganize the bureaucracy, to change their focus, or to change their goals. What can the Supreme Court do? Well, they can rule things unconstitutional, so they can do this same check to bureaucratic agencies. So if they make an administrative law that the Supreme Court finds unconstitutional, they can strike down that rule or regulation as being unconstitutional. So these are ways that these branches can interact with one another, and they can check and limit the power of the bureaucracy. Alright guys, that's it for Unit 2. So until next time, this has been a La Money production. Alright, thanks again for watching this video. I hope that it helped. You survived Unit 2. Make sure you check out the Unit 2 review video that I have so you prepare for that test that you guys have coming up tomorrow or this morning or in 15 minutes, whatever it might be. Hit that like button if this video helped you. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time.